Hey everyone, I'm Joaquin Inigo Campo, today's speaker. And here are my co-speakers, Sheila May Rio, Nicole Anpugan, and Eliza Gale Valenzuela. Welcome to Sustaining Professionalism Amid Stress, How to Handle Challenging Customers.
We are excited to discuss customer service, share our knowledge, and delve into strategies for navigating difficult customer encounters with poise and efficacy. Let's embark on this journey together with open minds and eager spirits.
The topic we chose addresses a common problem across various sectors. Dealing with difficult customers can be emotionally and mentally taxing. Our goal is to provide practical insights to help you handle these challenging interactions effectively.
Fred Rogers once said, "Life is for service," and emphasized the importance of kindness, empathy, and compassion. These principles are vital in customer service, where every interaction is an opportunity to make a positive impact.
Let's begin by understanding the significance of professionalism amid stress, particularly in customer service. In today's fast-paced world, challenging customer interactions can put our professionalism to the test.
To handle these situations, we need a solid foundation of professionalism, which includes traits like empathy, patience, and integrity. Approaching each encounter with empathy builds trust and lays the groundwork for effective communication and resolution.
Our actions in customer service have far reaching effects beyond the immediate interaction. By embodying professionalism and empathy, we resolve concerns and contribute to a positive, lasting impression of our organization.
Challenging customer interaction arise for various reasons, from dissatisfaction to misunderstanding. Handling this situation requires empathy, clear communication, and problem-solving skills. By fostering growth of others, as Fred Rogers advocate, we can turn challenging interaction into opportunities for connection.
Let's explore some foundational principles. First, empathy is crucial. Empathy allows us to understand the customer's perspective and respond in a way that acknowledges their feelings. It's the cornerstone of building trust and rapport.
Second, patience is key. Challenging customers can test our patience, but staying calm and composed helps de-escalate tension. Remember, the customer is often frustrated with situation, not with you personally.
Third, integrity ensures that we handle customer issues honestly and transparently. Integrity builds credibility and fosters trust, which is essential for resolving conflicts and maintaining professional relationships.
Now, let's talk about practical strategies. When facing a difficult customer, listen actively. Show that you are genuinely interested in their concerns. Sometimes just being heard can significantly reduce a customer's frustration.
Effective communication is another crucial strategy. Be clear and concise in your responses. Avoid jargon and explain things in a way that the customer can easily understand. This helps prevent misunderstandings and builds clarity.
Problem-solving skills are vital. Approach each issue with a solution-oriented mindset. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, concentrate on how you can make it right. This proactive approach can turn a negative experience into a positive one.
Managing stress is also essential for sustaining professionalism. Regular breaks, mindfulness exercises, and maintaining a healthy work life balance can help you stay composed under pressure. Self care is not just beneficial for you, but also for the quality of service you provide.
Remember, every challenging interaction is an opportunity for growth. Reflect on each experience to learn and improve. Continuous learning and development are key to enhancing your customer service skills.
In the in the fast-paced world of customer service, professionals often face high-pressure situations that lead to stress and burnout. Prioritizing health and well-being while maintaining professionalism is crucial.
This involves setting limits, scheduling regular breaks, and engaging in therapeutic activities. Maintaining a professionalism under pressure ensures excellent customer service and aligns with Rogers' belief in living a life of service.
By prioritizing health and professionalism, we build trust, foster deeper relationships, and leave a lasting, positive impact on those we serve.
In conclusion, our discussion on sustaining professionalism amidst stress, how to handle challenging customer, aims to provide valuable insights and strategies for managing challenging situations with equanimity and effectiveness.
By making well-being, emotional intelligence, and conflict resolution central to our quest for excellence in customer service, we can embody the values of service and human connection.
Sustaining professionalism amid stress requires a holistic approach that acknowledges the human element of customer interaction.
Embracing empathy and effective communication fosters mutual understanding and trust, laying the foundation for successful conflict resolution.
Remember, each interaction is an opportunity to embody the values of service and connection. Navigating challenging situations with grace and integrity leave a lasting impression of professionalism and care. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to exploring these ideas further with you.